EQs are the most important tools to turn musical chaos into beautiful clarity. There's no making a record without them, so if you're serious about making music, you owe it to yourself to learn how and when to use them best. Hey, Fab Dupont here in the fabulous room at Flux Studios. This is where I do all my music work, so I thought it would be the perfect place to introduce you to the Essentials of EQ course. As a producer and mixer, I've worked with world-class artists from Bad Bunny to Shakira, David Crosby, Paul McCartney, J-Lo to Andre 3000 and many, many others. I've also built this place, Flux Studios, which is now one of the most successful studios in New York City. Over the years, working on those records with these legendary collaborators in this studio and countless others, I have understood the importance of learning from those who came before me. And that's why there's Puremix.com and the campus at Puremix. So we can pass that knowledge on to you like it was passed on to me. Which leads us to Essentials of EQ. This course covers everything you need to know to be truly in control of your EQing process. In the course, each lesson gradually builds your EQing skills through videos, associated readings, exercises, quizzes, and knowledge checks. You'll study what EQs are, how to choose the right type of EQ, how the controls interact, additive versus subtractive EQ, mask hunting, and much, much more. If you want to create great music as an artist, as a producer, a mixer, a live engineer, post-engineer, mastering engineer, you need great EQ skills. Those skills I learned. No one's born with them. And this course is a great starting point. I'll see you on campus.